Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
나를?
Afternoon on a train. I only took it because it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall. This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves her or if loving him is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. Almost at the downtown stop. I'm already late, but I don't wanna get up. Outside the city's painted gray, but in here a vivid world is on display. The man behind me, he carries a suitcase, a custom cut suit, but shadows on his face. Was it just a bad day? Will he laugh when he gets home? Or did it all go astray? And now he sleeps alone. I don't know where he's going, I don't even know his name. I don't know if his life has been a breeze or hurricane. I don't know if he's happy or if all he knows is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. How many timelines collide inside these walls? How many good times and tear-soaked phone calls? Decades of living, a multiverse ballet. But the earth just keeps spinning, and tomorrow all of these seats will be filled with new faces. Anyway, they won't know where I'm going, they won't even know my name. They won't know if my life has been a breeze or a hurricane. They won't know that I sit here writing verses of their pain. But they will know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train.
그거 어디서 갖고 왔어? 나를? 엄마 바지 어디서 갖고 왔어? 마르. 안 돼. 마르.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine.
주세요.
And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's set free. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just
your simple love and it's everything.
뭐래?
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase. Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase. Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon. I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. I have to cut the strings 'cause this is hurting me. I don't know if I can cross that line where we become just friends. I don't want this to end.
I don't want this to end. If I stay, promise to never go away. If I close my eyes, promise to be there when I wake. I had a dream last night, I was holding you so tight. What are we gonna do? I can't lose you. No, I can't lose you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Every time we used to fight, I'd raise my voice and you would cry. I tried to run away, I drowned my